Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install Go on your machine. The first step is to go on this website, so go.dev. This is the official Go website. Then on the website you're going to click on download. On this page you can download the Go toolchain. You will have to know your operating system, so obviously you know it. So if you use Windows, you're going to click here. If you use macOS, you have to choose between an Apple processor, so you're going to click here, or if you have an Intel processor, you're going to click here. So for the M1 owners, you're going to click here, and for the others, you're going to click here. And then if you have a Linux computer, you're going to click here. So because I'm not the owner of an M1, I'm going to click here to download the Apple macOS for x86-64. So a file is going to be downloaded on your machine. The next step is to verify that the file that you have downloaded has not been altered during the transport, because you're going to use the Go toolchain in order to compile programs, in order to run programs. So you have to be sure that it's the correct one, and somehow in the transport your file has not been altered. In order to check that, the Go team has put in on this page the SHA-256 checksums for each file that you can download here. And the idea of a checksum is that you can compute it on your machine with the file that you have downloaded, and you can compare it with the one that is written here. And if the two match, then you are sure that the file that you have downloaded is the correct one. So we're gonna do that. And to do that with Mac, you're going to open a terminal. So in order to open a terminal, you can open Spotlight and type terminal. You will have the terminal. And we're gonna use the SHA sum command, then -a, then you input 256, so the algorithm is SHA-256, and then you're going to put the path of the file that you have downloaded. So my file is located under downloads, and then it's Go 1.19. I use the tab in order to autocomplete that. You can see that I have several. That's because I've downloaded several, so I'm selecting one, and then I'm going to press enter. And the checksum is going to be computed. So now I have the checksum. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to press Command F in order to search in the page, and then I'm going to put Command V in order to paste. So this is the one that I have computed, and this is the one on the website. So here we have a match between the sum that we have computed on our computer and the sum that is here on the website. So it means that the file has not been altered. So we can proceed with the installation. In order to install Go, I'm going to click on the file that is downloaded, and then an installer will open. So this is pretty convenient. You can see here that I have a message. It says previous installation detected. That's because I already have Go. So by the way, this method can also be used if you want to update Go. I'm going to click on OK, and then I click on continue. When the installation is finished, you will see this screen. So then you can close it, and then you can select move to bin. Then in order to verify that Go has been installed, I'm going to open my terminal and type Go version. So if you have this message, it means that Go has been correctly installed on your computer. And by the way, you can also check the version of Go that you have installed. So here it's 1.19.2. So that's it. Go has been installed successfully on your computer. So stay tuned. I'm going to publish new videos to show you how to use Go in the future. You can also check my website, so practicalgolessons.com. On this website, you can read my book, and you can have access to trainings, how to build websites and backend with the Go language. So see you later.